you better recognize that he was benefiting, bin Laden, of some complicity. This is impossible to believe that he was isolated, close to the barracks and close to the army, and etc. So, I understand your answer, but honestly...
Well, I think I certainly would like to react to this. After all, slippages or poor performance by the intelligence are possible. If we reflect back to 9/11, how is it that 18 people were being trained for months and CIA was asleep, the most powerful organization? How was it that 4 aircrafts, 4 airliners are being hijacked from 4 different airfields and a CIA doesn't know? How is it that 3 of them go into the World Trade Center and the Pentagon, CIA is asleep? So let us allow ISI to have been sleeping once at least.
I'm going to go back to the floor. Let's go.